Hello guys, it's me, Jake. How's it going? It's too dark. It's too dark in there. Or switch. Hey guys, it's me, Jacob NASCAR fan 18. So today, I'll be showing you Aftermath of the Thunderstorm. What happened? Aftermath is what happened to something else. Let's go ahead and check it out. Right there. You know, there's like water, rain up there. On a road. My neighbor's house, we're next to it. And also, yeah, okay, I'm turning the first light on. There you go. And right over here, my parking lot is, there is pretty wet, and also the road is really wet right there. Well, guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoy. So like, subscribe, comment, and that's the aftermath of the thunderstorm. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.